Do you know what's worse than a check engine light? Paying hundreds of dollars just to find out what's wrong. If you're tired of guessing, tired of dealership fees, and want the power to diagnose every system yourself, then the Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'll show you what it does, how it works, its real features, pros and cons, and whether it's still worth buying. Let's get started. What is Autel MK808BT? The MK808BT is a 7-inch Android-based wireless diagnostic scanner that connects to your vehicle via Bluetooth VCI. It's more advanced than basic OBD2 scanners because it can diagnose all major systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, SRS, TPMS, steering, AC, and more. This tool gives you dealer-level access at a much lower price. Main features. 1. Wireless Bluetooth connection. No more cables. You can move around the vehicle while scanning. 2. Full system diagnostics. Reads and clears codes from every module in the car. 3. 25+ service and maintenance functions. Some popular functions include oil reset, EPB, electronic parking brake, SAS, steering angle calibration, DPF regeneration, battery registration, BMS, throttle adaptation, injector coating, basic, ABS bleeding on supported vehicles. Great for maintenance and repairs. 4. Live data plus graphing. View real-time sensor data and graph multiple PIDs for accurate diagnosis. 5. Auto VIN and Auto Scan. Automatically detects your vehicle and performs a complete health scan. Android tablet interface. Easy navigation with touchscreen, Wi-Fi updates, and built-in 32 gig memory. How it benefits you. It saves you money, no more paying for simple resets. It saves you time, diagnose problems in minutes. It gives you control, know exactly what's wrong. It helps you work like a professional. Perfect for DIY users, home garages, and small shops. Vehicle coverage. Supports most Asian, European, and American cars from 1996 to newer. Common brands include Toyota, Honda, Ford, Chevrolet, BMW, Mercedes, Volkswagen, Nissan, Hyundai, Kia, Audi, Jeep, and more. Performance. Android 4.4 OS, 1.5 GHz Cortex-A9 CPU, 2 GB RAM, 32 GB storage. It's not the fastest in 2025, but still stable and reliable. Software updates. 1-year free updates. After that, optional. Tool still works without update. Updates add new vehicles and more functions. What's included? MK808BT tablet, Bluetooth VCI, charger, USB cable, carrying case, user manual. Ready to use out of the box. Pros and cons. Pros: wireless Bluetooth connection, full system diagnostics, 25+ service and maintenance functions, easy to use touchscreen, wide vehicle coverage, great value for the price. Cons: no ECU coding or programming. Hardware is slightly older in 2025. Annual update fee after 1 year. Bluetooth range around 10 meters. Final verdict: is it worth it in 2025? Yes. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808BT is still one of the best mid-range wireless diagnostic tools for the price. It offers professional features, wide coverage, and powerful service functions that can easily pay for itself after a few uses. If you want better performance, the Pro version is an upgrade. But if you want a reliable and proven professional tool at a fair price, the MK808BT is still a great choice. If this review helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more automotive tool reviews and tutorials. Have questions about the MK808BT or want me to compare it with another scanner? Leave a comment below. I reply to everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.